In today's class, we will study BMS third phase syllabus, research methodology syllabus. In that third chapter, fifth topic, the topic is research types. Research types broadly classified into descriptive and analytical research. If you want more video related to research methodology BMS syllabus, please subscribe channel for more upcoming videos. Now we will study what are the types, the research types. The research types based on the main purpose and approach of collecting information. We can classify the research into two types. One is the descriptive research, second one is the analytical research. What is research? Research is a systematic process of collecting, analyzing and interpreting information to answer the questions. Now it is mainly two types, descriptive and analytic. The term itself, it is told descriptive means whatever we are observed, that describing, that one is the descriptive research. Analytical research, the term itself tells that analyzing something. What is there? That is analyzing things. That is the analytical research. Now we'll study one by one descriptive research and analytical research. First of all, descriptive research, the definition, it is used to describe characteristics of population or phenomenon. It means that the something it is happening, it is doing that what is happening, that is the answer. For that answer, we are collecting or gathering the information. It answers what questions without manipulating the variables. It means that if something is happening, what is happening? Suppose in the hospital, in this descriptive research, just we are collecting the information. Suppose in 1 month, how many patients came with you with fever, how many patients came with cold cough, like that. Only we are observing and describing it. That much only it is called descriptive research. Definition is, it is used to describe the characteristic of a population or phenomena. It answers what questions without manipulating variables. It means what is happening, that much only we are information collecting in this descriptive research. The key features are observational in nature. It means only we are observing what is happening. This is the observational record. Next one is the record existing facts. Whatever it is going on, that only, the existing fact only we are observing and recording. No cause or effect analyzing. It means that why it is happening, we are not at all collecting the information. What is happening, that only we are collecting in this descriptive research. The examples are census survey. The government throughout the India, government is doing census. In that, how many peoples are there in India, how many men's, how many women's, how many children's are there. That much only the record is collecting. Why women's are more or why such things are there, we are not collecting. Just only we are collecting as it is. So how much it is there, that is only we are collecting. Another very good example, hospital record describing disease. In the hospital, how many patients came in this week or today's, how many specific patients are there, that only we are collecting the information. This is the descriptive research. Advantage are very easy to conduct because it will not take any analysis. Just we are only collecting, observing and collecting. This is the easy to conduct. Provide detailed information. In this we will get all the detailed informations and useful for planning services. It means that patients are, specific patients are there. Suppose cold cough patients are more, then the administrator or government planning to how much that tablets we have to maintain, that record helpful. This is the useful for planning any services. This is the very good advantage. Next is the disadvantage. Disadvantage cannot determine the causality. It means just now discussed why it is happening, what is the cause. We are not at all collecting, only the what it is, what is happening only we are collecting. The cause we are not at all collecting. That is the one of the disadvantage. Next is maybe superficial information if poorly designed. If our research design is poorly, then we can collect the only superficial. The deep knowledge is we are not getting. This is the disadvantage of the descriptive research. The next second one is the analytical research. Analytical research is nothing but the whatever data is there, we are analyzing. Anything new we are getting. That is the analytical research. The definition is it involves critical evaluation of data to understand why and how phenomenon occurs. Just now I told that if the peoples they are suffering from particular disease, we are searching that why it is happening, what is the cause, why this much only patients are increasing. We are searching why is this happening. This answer we are searching in this research, analytical research, is what is the causative factor, what is the association, what is the relation it is there, why it is happening, okay, what is the cause. That is we are searching is the analytical research. The definition, it involves critical evaluation of data to understand why and how phenomena is occurring. Suppose the patients are coming with loose motions, then we are searching why the patients are increases. Is there any specific water is contaminated or any specific things are happening, that we are collecting the information. This is the analytical research, analyzing the research why it is happening. Now it seeks to explain the relationship and causes. Just now I told this is the relationship. Is there any cause and relation? That is we are searching the two variables. If suppose the patients with loose motion, it is patients are increased, is there any contamination of water? That relation we are searching. That is the analytical research. Cause we are searching why it is happening. The cause we are searching in this. This is the analytical research. The key features are uses existing data. Here whatever the data it is there, we are analyzing and utilizing why it is happening. Next is the test of hypothesis. While doing the research, the testing their hypothesis. Is there any cause? That is why it is there. The predictions purpose also the testing hypothesis. Next is the identify cause and association. Just now I told, is there any particular cause? Next, advantages. What are the advantages of analytical research? Identify factors associated with outcomes. Here in this research, we are trying to identify the factors. Is there any two factors? Is there any relation between two things? Just now I given the example of the loose motion. The cause is water. Is there relation? It is there, that we are searching. Suppose the patient came with lungs diseases. Is there relation with smoke? That identifying the association. What is the outcome also? Due to that, what is the outcome, that also we are searching. This is the one of the advantage. Next is the guidance, decision making and policy. Here just now I told same example I am using. Suppose the cause is we are searching is the cause, why it is happening. Suppose the water is the cause, due to that the patient are suffering, patient are sick. We can for making the decisions, government will provide the good water or pure water. That is it is helpful for the policy making as well as decision making purpose. This analytical research is helpful. Next is the disadvantage. Disadvantage, it is the complex data analysis. Here the data is more, the analyzing is bit difficult here. Next is the risk of bias in interpretation, because it may be because of the while interpreting, the chances are mistakes are there, or one-sided decision the researcher will take. These are the mistakes, or these are the disadvantages of due to that analytical research. Next, lastly, the conclusion, the descriptive research and the analytical research. Whatever the information we are gathering, descriptive research is describing that one, what is happening, why the peoples are, how many peoples are sick, That is only the descriptive research. Analytical research, here the analyzing why the peoples are sick, what is the cause, here this we are analyzing. This is the analytical research. Descriptive research is provides the snapshot of situation. How many people, just now I given how many people are sick, that much only we are collecting. How many the peoples are involved, like that we are gathering the information. While analytical research explains underlying relationship. What is the relation? If something is happening, why it is happening, is there any relation? That is the we are searching in the analytical research. Now here both are essential in research methodology to improve the knowledge and guide the interventions, or as well as treating the patients. Both are important. Hope this topic you understood. If you understood this video, please share to others, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.